What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur a specific part of a video in Microsoft Clipchamp. So the first thing that you need to do is to bring the video to the timeline like I did right here. So for this tutorial, let's blur the face of this man. To do that, what we want to do is to duplicate the initial video. To do that, you either Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or you're going to right click on the video, you're going to copy it, then you're going to paste it above. Then you're going to mesh the initial video. And now what we want to do with the video that is above the initial video, we want to select it like so. Then we want to go to the effects, and here at effects we want to search for blur. We will apply this filter. Then you can change the blurriness of your effect. I will let it this way. Then we want to use the crop function. So we're going to click on crop, and we're going to mesh the blur effect only for the face of the man in the video, like so. And as simple as this, we just blur a specific part of a video in Clipchamp. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.